going on, guys? We made it. Whoa!
Yes,
it's fucking, bro.
We're gonna paint our doghouse today.
Yeah, we're painting, we're staining, we're fucking finishing that shit. Bro, it's so funny because we're gonna be at Home Depot at 6 a.m., get the wood at 7:30, yeah. Boom, 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 be at the fucking shop. Oh no, get the wood at 7, be at the shop at 7:30. Yeah, bro, it's like fucking 9 a.m. It's 8:18, my guy. Yeah, no smoking around, no smoking. But, so what do we need to get right now?
The hinges.
The hinges, right?
And then the paint.
And paint. And stain, no? Or we're using the stain that's there?
Yeah, we can use the stain.
Yeah? Put the paint right here, no? Because that's
I'm thinking about the other one.
Because that's what takes the longest, no? The paint. So, we're going with like a gray, right?
Yeah.
Like a nice.
Our classmate. Right there, look. One of our classmates.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, el compa. El compa. Ooh, that's kind of clean.
It's dark, but not light.
Where do we get this one?
Yeah, no.
Oh, shit.
How do you want it, though? How do you want it? High glass, semi-glass? Oh, this one. Alright.
Yeah, I call it matte.
So what's
we need the interior one.
Oh, yeah. Matte. Alright,
yeah. And we also need to get a speed stick.
Huh? Oh, I already got everything yesterday.
You even got a speed stick?
Yeah.
A ruler?
Yeah. What? The ruler?
That's what it's called, a speed stick.
You want to put your number?
You're banned.
What's your name, boss?
Aram. AHREM.
It's because they fired you from Home Depot.
And your last name?
Too much information. Solis.
That was pretty quick. Bro, we had asked the guy, right, like, sir, what do you think will go good type shit? And he was like, so what's your... Like, he gave us a whole lesson. And luckily, we chose the right fucking answer. But we also got a speed stick. I got the fucking pencil in my backpack. We gotta go rolling, though. Because, bro, we're not trying to waste any time. Like, as soon as we get there, I'm pretty sure we're gonna get there before his own students. So we could start marking out, like... Bro, I don't have a tape measure. Fuck. That is crazy. Well, it's at my house. I'm gonna get that shit from my house and we'll start, because tape measures, like, you need it, right? Hey, we back. Bro, our partner doesn't even know we fucking film type shit. Let's go a little higher. Oh my god.
That's you. You gotta strap it right here on your name. POV.
Where's my pencil? Oh, that's a hammer. No pencil.
Would you leave it in here? Fuck it.
You're just gonna grow into a tree sometimes. But so far we got the cut. We got the little cut that we need. A la madre.
You drink Canadian?
That shit's gas. Don't tell me you don't like Canadian Dry.
I never tried it.
Shit's gas. They got like a raspberry or a cherry splash, whatever. Shit's good too. I don't know how to explain ginger ale. What is ginger ale? Drop it in the comment section below, guys. If you guys could even hear me. Hey, say what's up. Say what's up.
He's like, what the? Hey. Oh, he's into it.
Okay, I got you.
Hold it. Alright, it's flush over here.
A la madre. It's fucked over here. Low key.
I was saying, you gotta choose one side.
Fuck it, no. Oh,
blew the shit out of your fucking
bro,
ass.
for real. A la madre.
The corner first,
We can hit it with the hand.
Alright. I just got a heavy finger or what?
This corner.
Like, is that a reason or no? Nah. Or is this the gun? Too much hair?
Actually, not enough.
This guy used to work at Home Depot.
Where are the Clippers? Liars? You guys got something or?
Nah, but he does. Zuniga. Zuniga, come help, sir. Please, help. Simple bars. Love you.
Love ya.
Guys,
We're not in the same project, guys.
we're still gonna beat y'all though.
Cav.
Nah.
Cav.
Speak in front of burning live. Better not. Speak in front of burning live. I swear, if it's actually on fire, I'm gonna burn it live.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Hey, let's run it. Apparently there was like some fire alarm. I don't know. Adam blew something up. Bro, that kind of looks clean as fuck. Bro, you showed up last week.
That's right. I show up in the crucial moments.
Wait, so do you know what happened or nah?
It's right here.
The one helping us finish.
If that's her, I'll just two picks. What? That's kind of crazy. Nicotine picks?
Yeah. Guitar picks.
Now we're gonna pick this little triangle piece. We got the handle
Not
out.
nicotine, but they're also
Really clean. Oh, hell yeah. We're fucking better to God. Gang shit.
With the Poos Tasty mess. I forgot to do that.
Oh, that's kind of badass. Right at the floor. Oh, it's not even that hard, bro. Look, pull it. Like you know how we were trying to do it with like the hat. Oh, it also has magnets.
Oh yeah.
So like the magnets are just like an extra support. This is gonna be like right here. Bro, do you know where they're at?
I don't think we need magnets. Look. We don't need them. To be honest.
What the magnet?
At least to cover the screws, right?
Huh?
At least to cover the screws, right?
I'm not even sure, honestly.
Oh, we can use this right here. Boom. Actually, now we.
No, we can. Look.
No.
Just so it doesn't smack.
But But it's gonna be loose. It's gonna be NSC.
What do you think?
I mean, we can't. If it doesn't look good, we can just take it off real quick. Go for it.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Probably need to paint it
All together.
Right. You just paint around this shit. That sounds good. We're done. With the structure wise, we're done.
What happened here, Adam?
That's the design. The good thing we're gonna paint this though. We're painting this and then staining that.
Sir, that's not OSHA approved, sir.
Oh, can you pass me the battery?
She did.
Oh, guys, we got it rolling. We got it rolling. We got it long. We got Crystal View himself.
Yes, sir.
Gang, gang. It's just me and him. We've been doing this alone the whole time. AZ did not. Nah, she watches this video. But guys, so we have like little imperfections, but it's just from the glue, you know. But overall, it doesn't even look that bad. Type shit. What the fuck? Oh shit. So we're staining the top, right? We're staining all this. We're gonna stain the bottom. This is gonna stay the color. Well, actually, our paint. All this will be painted the same thing. In here, in there, sides, the top. Oh, what do you think? We stained the roof too?
Yeah.
On both sides?
Yeah.
That shit was clean. What's going on, guys? Oh shit. It's like a little late. Hopefully the glare's not too bad. Oh, that's like even. Nah, it's just better if it be like this. But it's pretty late, not gonna lie. It's already 7:30, and straight up, guys, I'm just gonna go play basketball for like 2 hours, or like not even 2 hours, like an hour and a half. Oh shit. We're moving and shit. But yeah, I'm just gonna go play like 1 to 2 games, something light, right? Just to get my cardio in. If there's no one there, we're fucking taking off straight up. It's just more like, I feel like balling competitively, even though I don't have my shoes. Like I got the Blazers and that's it. Oh shit. So I wish I got a clip of us, like the final product pretty much, right? But Adam had taken it home. He's gonna paint it at home and do a second coat of stain just in case, right? Just to give it like that nice rich stain color. But now, like, it looks pretty good. Like, a lot of people right now, they're like, bro, your shit looks good. And I was like, really? I thought this shit looks like ass. Like, me personally. Like, bro, straight up, like, we built this shit out of scraps, which is fucking crazy. And a lot of people were like,
yeah, we use our financial aid money on this, blah blah. I was like, well, it must be nice, right? Bro, it must be nice getting financial aid. I'm out here fucking paying out of pocket and shit. I got a student loan of like $5,000 already. Like, fuck. I low-key need to start paying that shit, low-key. Just start thinking ahead. Fuck student debt, start paying it while you got it, you know? Oh, fuck it, I had an extra $1,000. All into your fucking tuition. Because then, at the end of the day, that's one less $1,000 you don't gotta worry about later on, right? Now later on, it's a different question because you're fucking worried about a house, a car, your family, you know? I don't know. But let's get to a fucking wreck straight up. Like, let's fucking race over there. I'm gonna put the camera down because low-key there's a lot of traffic. I'm not sure. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Like, all these fucking cars. Pretty much the bridge is packed. Straight up. But it's fucking, oh shit. I like stopped in the middle of the fucking road straight up, guys. As long as you stop, right? What's going on, boys? Hey, buddy. Sorry if you guys hear my mom coughing in the background. She a little sick. But we're ready to go to sleep. Bro, I left you guys in the dark. So pretty much after that project. Wait, where did I leave you guys off last? Oh, the wreck. We ran up like 1K with like 4s. We got fucking dicked on. It was like 21 to like 12. But it's whatever. Right, buddy? Cool. Nah, bro. Buddy hates sleeping. This guy right here, he fucking hates sleeping like in this room. He wants to be with my mom. I don't know why. Belle over there just chilling. But nah, tomorrow it's gonna be a new day. We gotta go sleep. I work in the fucking morning. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I don't know. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. That's pretty much it. Come on. Follow this road. Follow the randomness fucking life that I live. Even though it's scripted according to Elijah. Like him being my best friend is scripted, I guess. I don't know. You tell me. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. Stay sexy.